The first thing they noticed when the boat had started was a big palace on the right bank of the river. On the right bank of the river, there was a big palace. "What palace is that?" asked Alan. "Does the queen or some other person of the royal family live there?" The royal family is the king's or the queen's family. "No, it is not used by the royal family. The royal family does not use this. It is called Lambeth Palace." A little farther up the river, they're going up, a little farther up the river, just after a bend, perhaps to the left or to the right, they passed under Putney Bridge, and Mr. Miller told them about the great boat race which takes place every year between students from the universities of Oxford and Cambridge. There is a boat race that takes place, that happens every year between students from Oxford and from Cambridge.